got a bright idea. That's right, let's do a fun little cartoon lamp in 3 easy steps. I'm John Marc, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright, so if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. That was a fun lesson. Again, a very simple thing, taking an object that's very close and near to me in my visual, and I could turn it into a cute little cartoon, as you can see. Alright, now this one is a standard lamp that I actually did, but you can actually make it taller, shorter, change the mid-base of the lamp, whatever. And even had maybe little arms. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.